My name's Mark Lafreniere. I live at 9733 County Road 42. I just purchased this place. This will be my second year here, and I already needed a roof. Well, it's an Italian house, and it should have had a terracotta tile roof on it to begin with, not shingles. So it looks like $1 million now. I've heard a lot of people say things, well, is it noisy and things like that? I didn't have now I got a metal roof on this garage, pole barn. It's loud, but when you go in the house, it's got plywood and stuff underneath that roof, where this doesn't, right? So in the house, I found the noise to sound just like the furnace running or the air conditioning running. And I already asked the wife that. The windows are open and the air conditioning's going. Why? She says, no, it's not. Oh, it's pouring rain out. So the sound is no different than the furnace running. I spent 8 months researching every metal roof place in the city. And I got to you the second last one. And when you gave me a price, I thought it was more than reasonable, but I got sticker shock from those other 4 guys. So you nailed it. I had to go this way. Plus you have the superior product. The way you strap the roofs. They just screwing the stuff to the plywood. That doesn't work for me. How do you get good venting? And I don't have no stupid little boxes on my roof anymore, which I like that. Huh? So I think it's a win-win. And I'm gonna retire in 10 years from now. Do you think I want to put another shingled roof on in 10 years from now when I retire? No. I'm done with roofs. We're done with that. The word's out there. It's a good product. And I'm gonna keep selling it if I can.